Good morning, welcome back. We've got another cloudy day and it looks like there's probably rain off in the distance. Of course, in the exact direction that I have to go. And we got 370 kilometers to get back down to the main road. And we got that super muddy section that I'm dreading. But other than that, the road's not too bad. It's just going to be a long day because it'll take about 6 hours or so to get all the way to the bottom. Well, time to get packed up and hit the road. Alright, we're just fueled up at Eagle Plains. See if we have as much luck heading back down on the full tank, not having to use the reserves at all to get to the junction. And let's hope for decent weather. Well, we made it through the worst of that mud track. That was terrible. It's so stressful. The bike's sliding around everywhere and you can't relax for a second. But now we're on the flatter part. We've got just under 200k to go to the junction. I've stopped off at the campground, got the wood stove and gonna have some hot cocoa and a sandwich. And then we'll get back on the road. We'll see if I decide if I'm gonna camp at Tombstone again. Depends how tired I am, or if I go all the way to the junction and then figure out where to camp from there. see you there. Just back in Tombstone. Set myself up at camp. It's just after 4. I figure I'll try and do a hike tomorrow if the weather's good. So we're only 70 kilometers from the junction, so we'll have no problem getting there. Got my tent and everything set up. Just chopping up some wood to get the fire going. And then we'll take a walk around the park here and actually see what little trails they got going on. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, there's a little trail to the river here right by my campsite. Oh, it's a bathing river. And just over here there's I think a little short jaunt through the woods. Let's go have a look. Ah, that little trail takes you to the interpretive center, which I believe is now closed. All right, let's go check out more of the campground. Campgrounds in the Yukon are awesome. 12 bucks a night, and they give you firewood. Little trail down by the river. Well, since my supplies were fairly limited, I cracked into my emergency stock and had Chef Boyardee ravioli for dinner and some leftover bread. Toasted though with some pesto sauce. And tomorrow we'll probably check out a hike called Grizzly Lakes Trail. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.